just an introduction before we blow your mind.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sensational Locks, and I am back with a quick video. As you can see, I am outside. Who doesn't want to be outside right now? I hope everybody is staying at home and being safe, but still being active. So I have been bored. My husband has noticed I've been having hair withdrawals. I haven't seen any clients since all of this started. So he went on Amazon and he got me a new toy, and I decided I would share that with y'all now. So the brand is either Link or Hair Link, and like I was saying, it's not an expensive one. This was under $30 from Amazon. Let's see what we got. So this one comes with the attachment for you to, you know, like latch it to a table or something so they can remain stable. So that's great. And then obviously the mannequin head itself. Now, another good thing about being outside is that when we read the reviews, and it wasn't a lot of them, but some of them mentioned that these could have like lice eggs in them. Now y'all know these is coming from foreign countries. They've been sitting in warehouses, so who knows, but I am glad I'm outside. Ooh, look at her. Ooh, pretty woman. Oh, she got some inches. Okay, I believe that this is advertised at 16 inches. And it has that hair store smell, so I guess, you know, they're used to that. I'm not seeing nothing so far like alarming. Definitely looks like she has a scalp. Let's see. Ooh, she has a scalp, which is most important for me. Let's brush through her. They said that you need to brush through her to get out any loose hairs, and that she shouldn't shed anymore after that. She got some split ends, baby. Split ends. That's okay. I'm gonna take care of that. What should I name her? She look like. What do y'all think? Y'all let me know in the comments what you think I should name her. Ooh, I like her already. Okay, and there we have it, y'all. She is thick, you know, traces for days. I have no idea what we're gonna name her yet. I need y'all help, so make sure you leave a comment down below. I think she looks like a Nina, but I don't know, I'm open to suggestions. And I'm about to get in here and practice and slay this, so for the next time my natural hair clients see me when this lockdown is over, I mean, y'all just gonna be out here slay. So make sure that y'all subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Well wishes and positive vibes.